our subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do it right now. In this video you will see 1 hour of free lectures and you learn how to trade Ethereum with trading robots. Our trainer Petko Aleksandrov will teach you how to benefit from the market even without staying in front of the computer. Trading with robots will eliminate the emotions in 100%. You will not feel any stress while trading. You will learn how to depend on statistics as a professional trader. In the description you will find discounted link to the complete course if you want to get access to the complete course so you can download the robots for trading. The best thing is that you will receive lifetime access to the course and we update this course with new 99 robots every single month. Enjoy this free course!
Would you like to trade Ethereum with trading robots and you don't have programming skills to do it? This course will allow you to trade not just one but 99 different trading robots specially created for the Ethereum. My name is Petko Aleksandrov, the SEO at Forex Academy, and I'm pleased to welcome you to the Ethereum trading course. I teach algorithmic trading because with manual trading it is tough to follow the cryptocurrencies. They are very volatile and we all saw that it is not just one direction to go. But while more than 95% of the people were losing their money on the exchanges, I was profiting, trading with robots, and I still do. I have created the strategies with professional trading software, and this way I can create many robots without IT skills and I can generate tons of different strategies. I will share with you the complete process that I'm following. I am very open sharing my robots with you and you will find them attached to this course so you can test them on a virtual account and see how they perform. If you like just 10 out of them, great, you will have 10 robots to use for your trading. Also, I'm sure that you will enjoy the course and that is why we back it with 30 days money back guarantee. Enroll today and get the 99 robots which will change your trading. Oh, did I mention I update the course every month with new 99 robots? Hello dear traders and welcome to our Ethereum trading course. My name is Petko Aleksandrov and I'm very glad to record this course for you. I have decided to do the introduction with the steps actually that you need to follow during the course, or of course if you want to follow my trading system. So this will be like a little guide for you. So the first thing you need to do is to choose the broker. I have placed it in a red box because I want you to take this step with high attention. There are many scam brokers nowadays, so in the lecture where I am explaining about the brokers, I will tell you more about how you need to avoid the scam brokers. The next step is to open a demo account. So this is a virtual account with virtual money that you will be practicing the system. And to make something clear, in the beginning we're not connected to any brokers, so don't take as a recommendation any of the names that you will hear during the course. It is totally your choice. Of course, I'm there to help you and assist you with the choice. So after you choose the broker and register for a demo account, you need to install the MetaTrader. So basically this is the trading platform that we use for algorithmic trading and where we will place the 99 expert advisors to trade in one and the same demo account. After that, you will see the steps you need to follow if you actually want to generate strategies by yourself. I will show you how you can export the history data from the chosen broker. I will provide you with the script as well. The next step is the generation of the strategies with the Expert Advisor Studio. This is a professional strategy builder that I am using in order to generate strategies over the history data from the broker that I will be trading. And after that you will see how actually I'm selecting the top strategies out of hundreds strategies generated by the software. But anyway, you will receive these strategies ready for trading. So basically take these steps as educational and informational. If you want to follow it and do it by yourself, that's great. If not, you will receive the trading strategies ready. The next step is to place the selected 99 strategies over MetaTrader and to begin the trading. After that, you will see the process of following the performance of all the expert advisors and how I can understand which are the ones actually making most profits. The last and sweet step is to select the top expert advisors. Basically here it will be your choice if you want to trade the top expert advisor, the top 3, the top 5, the top 10 or any other number. I really hope that you will enjoy the course and keep in mind that I'm always available for any questions. Enjoy the course. Hello dear traders, this is Petko Aleksandrov from EA Forex Academy, and I start with our first lecture about the brokers. Basically I will just talk a little bit about the selection of the brokers. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to choose your broker. And for the purpose of this course, I have chosen Pepperstone. This is a very huge international broker. Just to make it clear, guys, here we are not connected to any broker and we don't suggest you to use any brokers or don't take it as a recommendation at all. Just for this purpose of this course, I had to choose one broker. Of course, I'm always choosing legit brokers because there are so many scam brokers. I will talk a little bit about it. So basically this is the trading platform that we are using, MetaTrader. I will talk a little bit more about it in the next lectures. The first thing you need to do is to choose your broker which provides MetaTrader, because MetaTrader is the only trusted algorithmic trading platform, and here you will be able to attach as many expert advisors as you wish that you will receive from the course. So basically how it's working, the broker is providing us the MetaTrader for free. We don't pay for the service of MetaTrader, and by this platform we have access to the market through the broker with the forex, with stocks, indexes, basically everything that the broker offers. And here you can see we have as well the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Dash and the Litecoin. What we are focusing in this course is the Ethereum, and I will show you how I'm creating the strategies, how I'm creating expert advisors, and I will provide you in the course with the 99 expert advisors that I will create. So at the end of the day, you will be able to select only the best performers. So simply one more time, the broker is providing us the MetaTrader. We use this trading platform to place here the expert advisors, and they will trade for us, and we will only follow the statistics, and I will show you every single step. So the first thing, again I say, is to choose the broker. First of all, I would like to share with you one article that we have in our website. So our website is eaforexacademy.com. We have plenty of information there, guys, if you want to read it. And as well in the forum. Recently, this is very new forum for 2017. And we have more people coming in, and there are some actually very experienced traders that you can learn from. What I'm focusing is on this article here, how to recognize the scam brokers. I have even some comments from 2 hours that I didn't have the chance to read yet, but what we are talking about here is how to recognize the scam brokers. It was written by one of my colleagues, Svet. Basically he's explaining how you need to recognize, what you need to know in order to recognize the scam brokers. Just very quickly over here, so you can read it in details if you wish. But the thing is that if you register for a demo account or a live account with any of the broker, you will receive a call immediately. Simply after you leave your details there, they will call you immediately. The first call you will receive is from the so-called account manager or specialist, automated robot with success rate to 80-90%. They will promise you many things, that the professional trader will do the education for you for free for a very small commission, that the minimum deposit they will ask you is $250. But because there is a huge competition even among these scam brokers, guys, Some of them will go down to $100 for a minimum of opening the account. They will ask you for your debit or credit card details over the phone. Make sure never give that over the phone. It's totally illegal. After they take your money, you will receive a call from their compliance department to ask for the documents. After that, it's very hard to make a chargeback, guys. And after that, you will receive a call from the professional trader or so-called manager, a senior account manager, and he will start talking about the markets. He will make some profits into your account, but those are not realistic, guys. Basically, these guys don't have an idea what the market is, and they're just pure sales, and they will just sell you what you need to hear, what you want to hear. So don't trust this, don't trust anybody over the phone, guys, but yourself. Trust the knowledge that you gain. So very quickly here about the scam brokers. If you wish to know more details, just read this article. There are actually people writing under that suffered already from these scam brokers. Unfortunately, too many nowadays, but of course there are legit brokers that you can use. We have already thousands of students that we have protected from the scam brokers. This makes me very happy. So for the purpose of this course, I have chosen Pepperstone. Once again, we are not connected to this broker. We do not suggest you, or we do not recommend you using it. It's your personal choice which one you want to use. So here I have opened one demo account with $50,000, and I will just talk for the demo account in the next lecture. So one more time, simply said, the broker is the company that will provide you the MetaTrader. You will be able to deposit some money in there, and you will be able to trade all of these assets. And by using MetaTrader, we have the possibility to trade algorithmically by trading expert advisors or trading robots. This is the slang word of robot. The normal word is expert advisor. I will talk a little bit more about it on a later stage. As you can see here, I have a couple of accounts with Pepperstone, so I have here 2 demo accounts, 1 real account in the middle. But I always suggest you guys to start trading with a demo account. Take your time, don't hurry to place real money, because it's your money that you can lose. Take it easy, take your time, and start practicing with a demo account. So you can see I have opened a demo account with $50,000, and I will show you in the next lecture actually how you can open one. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers. Bye. Hello dear traders. In this lecture actually I will show you how you can open such a demo account with the broker. One is you can open it from their webpage. When you register there for demo account, you will leave just your name, email, telephone number maybe, and some more details, and then they will open your demo account and they will send it over your email. Also, you will see there the link to download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Actually, there is 4 and there is MetaTrader 5 as well. We are staying with MetaTrader 4 because there are some mistakes still with MetaTrader 5 that are not fixed. And we prefer actually to use MetaTrader 4, but it's your choice again which one you will take. So the other way you can open a demo account, if you just download a MetaTrader over internet, is you go to file and then you go to open an account, and you see here there are now the servers, because this is what I recently added with the Pepperstone servers. And here if you just click and add some other name that you choose, and you will see their servers. So you will just click on the demo server, you go next, and here is you can write down the existing trading account if you have opened from their website. If you haven't, you can click on new demo account, you click on next, and here you will see this information that I told you: name, email, phone number, what kind of account you wish to have. Is it in dollars or in euro, Aussie, in Japanese yen, really no matter which one you choose since it's a demo account. And then you can write down with how much you want to start. You can go with some big number, don't worry, this is a virtual money. So simply here we will place the expert advisors to test them and to select the best performers, okay? And here is the leverage, how much you want to go. So 1 to 200 is all right. Even you take a little bit bigger, not too much. of importance here. So then you click on I agree. I will not do it now because I have just opened one account before starting recording, and it's right here with $50,000. So once again guys, these are virtual money. We don't risk anything, okay? The moment you are ready, the moment you feel safe with any system, you can give it a try with real money, but take it easy. I always repeat that. Don't hurry to put any real money because there is always risk involved in trading, and you should know that. And you should always start trading when you feel comfortable with your knowledge and when you feel comfortable with what you're doing on the demo account. Okay, so this is how you can open a demo account, and I will continue straight away with the next lecture. Cheers guys. Dear traders, I continue now with the lecture where I will explain you a little bit more about the MetaTrader platform. There are too many details about this platform. As I have said already, this is the only trusted algorithmic trading platform. There are many that are offering that, but you cannot see really reliable results there, or backtest, or to put actually 99 expert advisors in one and the same account, just like what we will do. So I'm not going into deep details about how to use it because we really don't need all of the things about the course. But the main thing here is that we have the chart where you see the prices, for example, for the Bitcoin, for the Ethereum, for the Litecoin, the Dash. Okay, here are all the trading instruments. If you see too few, just click right button of the mouse and select show all. So it will load all the assets that your broker is offering. Okay, normally the Forex is on the top, then we have some stocks and indexes, and recently we have the cryptocurrencies just below commodities. And below we have normally the navigator, where are your accounts, the expert advisors where we will place, and the scripts. We will use one script in this course to export the history data. Under you have the terminal where you will see your capital and the open positions. And basically you can move these windows the way you wish. I mean, you can just put it in a different way if you want to. Just move it. You can see you can move the terminal. You can put it back down. Then on the top we have some drawing tools. You can put some lines for some technical analysis, which we are not doing in the course. And then we have some drawing tools more. You can write some text. Here are the time frames. You can go to M1. So simply every bar is representing 1 minute. Okay, these lines are called bars. Just this is, guys, for the very beginners. If you're an advanced trader, please don't get mad with me. I just want to go quickly over MetaTrader for the people who haven't used that, okay, and have no idea about trading. And then you can actually look at it as candlesticks, what we normally look at. So we have the bar open, the bar close, the middle body, we have the top, the high. This is the 4 things we know actually about a certain bar: the open, the high, the low, and the close. Okay, these 4 values we have: where the minute opened, where did it close, and what was the highest level it reached, and what was the lowest level it reached. And if I place the mouse on the closing of the bar or the closing of the candle, you can see this information. There is volume inside as well, but don't look at this. This is the volume for the particular broker, and it's not the global volume, so we really don't use it even in the Forex. And if I change it to M15, 1 bar will represent 15 minutes, H1, 1 bar will represent 1 hour, and daily obviously will represent 1 day. We have weekly and monthly, so you can look the chart as well. On the monthly chart you can see the Ethereum, what a volatile graph as well there, the recent months, very volatile asset as well, and still actually with very good spread, just $2 or $3 maximum going with this broker, a little bit higher when there is volatility. So basically guys, you see here we have these 2 prices. One is the bid price, one is the ask price. The ask price is the price we pay to the broker to buy the asset, to buy the Ethereum. Okay, so basically we are buying at the more expensive price and we're selling it at the cheaper price. Broker benefits from the difference of the bid and the ask price, like simply the exchange bureau does when we exchange some currencies before we go to holiday, right? And this difference in trading is called spread. Spread, simply, this is the difference between the bid and the ask price. So normally we say that we pay the spread to the broker. Yes, we do, but there is no such fee that we pay, but we just buy on the more expensive price and sell on the cheaper price. So simply, yeah, we still pay, but there is no actual transactions for paying. But again, I say we buy at a more expensive price and we sell at a cheaper price. And you can see here, this is in points. Normally this is in pips, guys. So here you can see after the point we have 30. So this is called pips. And if this is Ethereum against the dollar, you can consider it as cents. So the price is 442 and 30 cents, right? The price that you will pay. But some brokers are showing actually the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the other cryptos with one more digit, which is called point. Okay, so for example, here you can see the sugar. There is 755. So this is the point, the last one. Okay, the third one is the point. The other thing that we are paying to the broker is the commission, if the broker has commission. So how you can check that? I go right click on the mouse and I go to one click trading. So you can see here I can open one lot. What is the lot, guys? The lot is the trading volume. Normally one lot is considered to be 100,000 of a currency. So euro dollar. So for example, if I buy one lot, I will be buying 100,000 euro dollars. Okay, euro against the dollar. And with the cryptocurrencies, every broker is different. So for example, if I put the mouse on the Ethereum, what you can see, guys, is that calculation CFD. I will explain you a little bit about the CFD later. And then we have Ethereum that equals to one lot. Okay, so basically one lot here equals to one Ethereum. So if I go right click and I go to specification, okay, right here, you will see the full specification. Contract size is 1. So one lot equals to 1 Ethereum. And you can see the other specification that this is the minimum you can take, and maximum volume you can take 50 lots. So 50 Ethereums you can buy. Okay. The other thing is the swap, which is long and short. So basically, if you buy and you hold your position overnight, the broker will charge you with the swap, which normally is very minimal with the legit brokers, of course, just to keep your position opened in MetaTrader. I will just open one buy position, guys. The first time when you install MetaTrader, you will see this decliner. I click on accept and I go okay. So one more time I will buy just somewhere, I don't care where is it, just to show you something, that this broker doesn't have commission. Okay, very important, the broker doesn't have commission. The commission comes normally from the brokers. Some brokers are having commission, some brokers are not having commission. Obviously better to look for the brokers that don't have commissions, right? So I will close this trade, just wanted to show you that. And swap, if I hold trade till tomorrow, you will see swap here because I hold it the position. Okay, I close the trade now. So simply, this is about MetaTrader. This is the auto trading button that we will use. So when we click auto and we have expert advisors already here, they will start running, they will scan the market for their entry conditions and they will execute the trades for us. So all we will do is we will place these expert advisors that I will show you how I'm creating, and we will follow their statistics. Okay, hope it's clear, guys. If you have questions, always drop me an email right on the dashboard, right in the forum, and I will be there to answer you. Cheers, guys. Dear traders, I continue with this lecture where I will explain about the CFD trading. What is it? So when I have placed the mouse here, I don't know if you have noticed, but it showed calculation CFD. What is CFD, guys? I will just put it over the chart here for the people who hear it for the first time. So CFD stands for contract for difference. So simply, we do not physically buy the asset here, okay, like what we are doing in the exchanges. For example, we physically have own these coins or the cryptocurrencies that all have in different methods. But the question is here that we don't do it physically. Also with the gold, with the silver, the sugar, yeah, we don't buy the assets physically, but what we do is we make contracts for difference with the broker. Okay, so when you have account with the broker, doesn't matter real or demo account, each time I buy, okay, I will just buy one more time, guys, to make it clear for you. This is a demo account, so no worries that I can have some losses there. You can see I bought one trading lot, okay, and I bought it on the more expensive price, ask price, and the current price that you see on the chart, you see the bid price. Okay, so when the price goes now on this level, I will be on 0. If the price goes higher, guys, if the price goes to 461, for example, I will be $20 on profit, right? And if I close this position when the price is here, I will benefit this difference. Okay, let me just go back to the CFD where I lost it somewhere on the chart, guys. So I will just place it one more time here. Sorry about that. So it's CFD, contract for difference. Every time we buy or we sell, we do a contract with the broker for difference, meaning that when the price goes higher and we benefit and we close the position, we will benefit the difference and the broker will pay us the difference. Actually, you will see it immediately into your account. The very same thing on the opposite side. If I sell it, let me just close it. Okay, if I sell it, guys, you will see now how I'm selling it on the bid price. As I told you, we sell on the bid and we buy on the ask. So simply, guys, if the price goes lower now, for example, if it goes to 430, I will be on plus $8. And if I close the position, I will have this profit into my account. If the price goes against me and goes higher, and I have here, for example, minus $12, and I close the position, I will lose this money from the broker. Okay, so this is what we're doing here. Contracts for difference. We trade on the difference of the price. So simply, guys, this is the trading. Okay, here we execute the orders extremely quickly, just one click, no need to wait for anything. And this is the trading. Okay, we are not investing here, we are not buying something and wait for it to go long time, and probably if the price goes lower, I will wait 1-2 years until it goes up again. No, because the swap will kill me. It will go every day, every day, every day, every day. So if you're looking to invest in the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and anything else, you need to look into the exchanges. But here we are trading and we use expert advisors. So when we put the expert advisors here, guys, every time they open and they close a trade, they will do contract for difference. So this is the answer. Sometimes people are asking me how we can sell if we didn't buy it before. Very simply, we have account, we have funded this account with some money, and we can trade using this money by buying and selling, and every time we do contracts for difference. Okay, and very quickly here, guys, I'm not showing you my live account. I don't want to show anywhere live accounts because I don't want you to take it as well as a recommendation. I don't want you to start with the amount of money that I'm trading with. For some people, $1,000 is a lot of money. For some people, it's nothing. So you should start trading with the amount you feel comfortable with. Just make sure to trade a very small percentage of your account, okay? And make sure when you're trading, no matter this system or any other system, to risk no more than 2 to 5% of the whole account, and simply take it very easy, take it very slow. Start with small trading account, guys. Don't hurry to put big money inside. Just you need to take your time to learn it all and to see how it's working. That's the reason I have decided in my courses to show you only demo accounts for educational purposes, okay? And this is what I suggest you to start with. Start with demo accounts, and then when you feel ready, you can start actually with some live account. But this is your risk that you're taking, so take it easy, have it in mind, okay? And for the system of this course, where I will show you how I'm creating these strategies, these expert advisors, the trading robots, we will place them on a demo account, we will follow their performance, and we will select the top performers to put on the live account, okay? Thank you very much guys for watching, and wish you have a great day. Cheers, bye. Hello dear traders, it's Petko Aleksandrov from EA Forex Academy, and in this section I will show you the whole process of creating hundreds of strategies, how I'm testing those, how I select the top strategies, and how I select the 99 strategies, okay, to put on a demo account and to test them and to select only the top performers. So basically this is like informative section, informative information for you. Have a look at it just to have an idea how I am doing it. You will receive the expert advisors ready guys, so you don't need to do that. But of course, if you're interested in creating your own strategies for different cryptocurrencies, for different assets, it will be very useful to you, I believe. So the first thing I am doing to create the strategies, very important, is to create them over my history data from the broker that I have chosen, okay? All of these bars that we have in the past are considered to be history data because they happened in the history and they have the data that I told you, the high, the low, the close, and the open of the bar, these four values, okay? And in order to export this data, what I will do, I will go to our website. On our website, we have these 4 strategy builders that are integrated. What we are focusing on is EA Studio. We have the FSB Pro, Algo Studio, and Binary Options Tester, which, to be honest with you, we are not doing binary options, but it's possible there as well to test your strategy for binary options. Anyway, what we're focusing on is the EA Studio. It's web-based. Simply, it works on the browser. It works really fast. You will see how fast it is. And simply, there is no alternative product nowadays. We are always following the new things. I have a man in the team who is just following the new strategy builders. If there is anything new on the market, he's telling me, we check it. But so far, these are the top products. So we have contacted the company and we have asked them to integrate on our website, so it will be easier for our students and traders to use it. And as well, since it's a professional software, it's paid obviously, but you can test 14 days free trial, which is very nice. And during this time you can export and create as many expert advisors as you wish. Okay, so let me just log in. And what I will do, I see that I have some strategies here. I will just remove them. So simply what we do with the strategy builder, guys, what is a strategy builder? Simply this is a software that can automate your existing trading strategy. So if I click on strategy, and here you can see you can add an entry rule. For example, you have some entry rule for euro dollar. Let me just pick something randomly. MACD line rises, and here you have parameters of 10, 20 and 30, or 10 again. Let me just pick it randomly, guys. You see immediately, I see on the balance chart the result of this strategy, okay? And if I make a simple change, so for example, if I add a stop loss and take profit, let's say stop loss of 50 pips, take profit of 100 pips, I click on accept, immediately I see the result, okay? So what is the great thing with this strategy builder, guys, that we don't lose time to test each strategy on a demo account so we can understand is it profitable or not. We see the results immediately, okay? Even we do a change, for example, I can put some exit condition. Let me just take some envelopes. The bar opens above upper band. I click on accept. You can see even a little bit worse result. So just I'm taking these indicators absolutely randomly, guys, okay? So if you have your existing strategy, first of all, you can check if it's profitable or not, because you see the balance chart exactly as you would see it in MetaTrader. Okay, from here you can choose another history data that we will place now, different instruments, different time frames. So here you can automate your strategy. There are many tests that you can do. You can optimize your strategy. You can do Monte Carlo for the strategy. This is a great tool for robustness of the strategy. When I click on start, you will see simply here the strategy builder is trying to break the strategy before we place it on the market. Obviously here it broke it 19 of 20 times, meaning that this strategy is not reliable at all. But as I told you, I picked the indicators absolutely randomly. And the other thing is the multi-market. So you can see this strategy if it's working on different markets, on the different currencies. I click on start and it will show me the results on the different markets. Okay, there is the report, so full analysis here, full statistics of the strategy, what was the maximum drawdown, return to drawdown ratio, count of trades, how many trades guys, profit per day, obviously negative, and maximum stagnation, balance line deviation. Too many things here that I'm not going into detail simply because this is not the purpose of this course. Okay, and here you can see the actual trades that were executed during this period of time. So basically EA Studio provides the best backtest that you can have, guys. Very true backtest, the very same that you will see on EA Studio. So what we need EA Studio now is to generate for us hundreds of strategies for the Ethereum. Okay, so the first thing I will show you is how I will export the history data from this broker, okay, that I have chosen on MetaTrader. I'm going to data import. First I click on tools, I go to data import, and you can see here are two scripts. Okay, one of the scripts says EA Studio data export MQ4, the other one is MQ5. So one is for MetaTrader 4, the other one is for MetaTrader 5. So you can download it from here, and I will just copy this from my other screen, guys, and I will go back now to the MetaTrader platform. I'm going to file, open data folder, and I'm going to MQL4 folder. Okay, this one over here. Then I'm going to scripts. So I will paste this script that I have downloaded from our web page. I will close the folder now, and I will go to scripts, right button, and I will click on refresh. So this will force MetaTrader to compile the script, and you will have it here ready to use. What you need to do is to force MetaTrader to load as many bars possible from your server of the broker. Okay, so how you do that? You press the home key on your keyboard on each time frame. So remove this arrow here, which brings you always to the recent price. So you cannot go like that. If you have this button, always brings you to the current moment. So I will just remove it. I zoom it out and I press the home key to take the maximum possible as history data from the broker. Since I have downloaded the platform just now, just to show you what you will see exactly when you install for first time, I don't have too much history data here. Okay, and I will go to M30, I go to M15, M5, and so on. I go to all of the time frames, guys. Okay, and I will just export now the history data from this broker. Okay, so I am going now to the script EA Studio data export, and I drag it over the chart. You will see a small menu where you will need to enter the maximum count of bars. I'm not going to have 100,000 bars, guys, so I will leave it this way. If you have more with the broker, it's great. You should select more. You can leave it like to 200,000. This is the maximum actually of EA Studio. Okay, so that would be like that. Here you need to write the spread. I suggest you always to write a little bit bigger spread than the one you have. So if it is somewhere between 250 and 300, I prefer to write 300. Okay, so I'm taking like a little bit more of a pessimistic way here, not to write a small spread to create the strategies, and then when I put it on MetaTrader I will see worse results. No, I want the opposite way. I want to create the strategies. When I place on MetaTrader, I want to see better results. So here I will be a little more of pessimistic and I will place a little bit higher spread. Commission I don't have with the broker as I showed to you, and I click on OK, and you will see here on the left top corner that I will have the bars exported. Okay, so what we are focusing on is on H1 and H4 for this course. So I will go on open data folder, and then I will go to MQL4, and then I'm going to files. Okay, here is the history data, guys, that I just downloaded. Obviously there is some history data from before that I was using with this broker as well, but what I care about is this recent history data that I exported. I copy it and I will place it in another folder. So for example, I can place it in the folder where is my script, and here it is on my other screen, guys. So I have placed them in one separate folder. Okay, and now I am going to the EA Studio and I will drop these files here. You can see drop files here or click to upload. So you can upload up to 200,000. That's the maximum you can have. And simply now, guys, I will drag these files over here. And what you will see is that they're imported and uploaded. Okay, so now I have inside EA Studio this history data for the Ethereum out of the broker that I have chosen. Now I'm going to strategy. I will remove this strategy. Simply I will select a new strategy and I will go to the generator. Now the generator is the powerful tool of EA Studio which generates extremely quickly. You will see how quickly it generates strategies, and I will show you. So the first thing I need to do is to select the server. So you can see Pepperstone Demo 01 is the server that I have used to take the history data from, and there is only the Ethereum. If you take the history data for the other cryptos, you will see them down here, all of them, and you will select. So in this course, guys, I will provide you with 99 strategies from H1 and H4 charts. Of course, you can create strategies for all time frames if you wish to follow what I'm doing. Okay, so simply here you can see the dates that I'm having from 2017-07-21 till today, but actually this is not today, this is just 1 month earlier, and I will show you why. If I go to tools, data horizon, you can see here that you can use start date limit and end date limit. So what I will do, guys, now, instead of using the whole period, I will go back 1 month earlier, which is 6th of November 2017. Okay, so I will create strategies with the generator without using the last 1 month. All of these strategies will go to collection, and there is this nice button here which says recalculate. When the strategies are ready, I will go back to tools and I will remove this tick. So I will use the last 1 month in the history data, and when I recalculate the strategies, I will see which one of those continued making profit during the last 1 month. So this is the very same thing, guys, if I place the expert advisors over the charts to test them on the demo account for 1 month. Okay, I will do it just with couple of clicks with EA Studio. So now I'm going to the generator and I have selected the data source. Silver is Ethereum. As I told you, we are focusing on H1 and H4. For strategies properties, I have set entry lot 1. You can set it to 10, 0.1, no matter. I will just use 1 for the purpose of the course. And here you can choose whether you want to use stop loss or not. You can choose do not use, may use, always use. I prefer to have a stop loss, guys, when I'm trading fully on 100% algorithmic trading, yeah. With the minimum, I have selected 300 pips because we said this is the spread, okay? So we don't want to have stop loss smaller than the spread. It will not make sense, right? And for the new traders, actually for the very newbies, the stop loss is the distance where the expert advisor will just close the position if the price goes against us. So simply guys, if the expert advisors buy and the price goes against us, it will close on a certain distance and it will limit the risk, so it will not go on a bigger loss. So this is the stop loss. Okay, so here I am giving a distance from 300 up to 10,000. Very same thing to the take profit. So the take profit is the distance where the expert advisor will close the trade and will take the profit. So again, here I'm taking it from 300 to 10,000. And on generator settings, I have working minutes 500. This is a little bit more than 8 hours, guys. Normally this is how I'm using the generator. Before I go to sleep, I leave it, and on the morning I have many strategies to work on. But now for the purpose of the scores, I will make it even a little bit bigger. I will go to 800, okay? So basically tomorrow it will be ready. Of course you can set it here for 10 minutes, guys, doesn't matter. But the more time it's working, the more strategies it will generate for us. And at the end we will see the top 100 into the collection. Okay, here you have the option to select the strategies by net balance, return to drawdown, system quality number, win-loss ratio, share pair ratio, profit factor, profit. So what we care about is the net balance, how much the strategy is making at the end of the day. And here is out of sample, in of sample. I'm not using this because what I'm doing with the last month is exactly that. So if I'm using out of sample, into sample, is simply very same thing. I can exclude some period of time and then it will check during this last period of time how it's working. But I want to do something different here. I am using the history data to do this thing, okay? The strategy fulfills the acceptance criteria. Here you have 3 options and you can add some more options, but I'm keeping these 3 because these are enough for me. Maximum ambiguous bars, this is, I can say with very simple words, guys, these are the fake bars in MetaTrader. So there are, as I told you, if I zoom, there are the open, the high, the close, and the low, yeah? So when MetaTrader is doing backtest, simply it takes the best option. So for example, if you have entered somewhere here and your take profit is somewhere here, let's say, MetaTrader, based on these 4 things, doesn't know what happened first. Did it first hit the take profit and then it hit the high of the bar and then it went lower? What happened inside the candle? It's not sure, okay? We don't know this. So MetaTrader is having here the most optimistic way in backtesting, which is a little bit negative. To make it clear here, guys, there is no right and no wrong, but MetaTrader is accepting the most optimistic way to give you better result on the backtest. And EA Studio is having it the opposite way, more pessimistic. So it's considered these bars as ambiguous bars, and here we filter these bars. So if we have more than 10, this will not show as a robust strategy, so it will be removed. I hope it's clear. Here you can select how much you want to have as a minimum net profit, but we choose to show the strategies according to the net profit. So obviously on the top we will have the ones that are having most profit. So really no matter what you will write down here, let's just put $100, really not important. We will see the strategies that are having the most profit. Minimum count of trades 50. I will leave it like that because we don't have too much history data, guys. With the time when you have more history data in your MetaTrader, you can select more count of trades for more robust strategies, okay? And pretty much that's it, guys. Now I will press the start and you will see the speed of EA Studio, okay? These are the calculated strategies that it's doing according to our history data that we have. And you can see immediately we have one strategy into the collection, already two strategies. So if you click over the strategy, you can see the balance chart, you can see the indicators, you can see stop loss and take profit. Indicator chart, actually you can see exactly where the trades were executed. You can see the opening, the close, the opening, the close. Here is a negative trade, here is some positive, another positive trade here. So you can see exactly over the chart where the trades were executed. Very nice thing here. And in journal you can see actually the orders, and if you run a backtest on MetaTrader, you're supposed to see the very same results. Okay, so now guys, I will leave this generator to work till tomorrow, and what I will do in the same time, I will open a new browser and I will open a very same generator. I just separate them because they will work faster this way. Okay, to make it clear, if you use EA Studio, don't keep it on the same browser, put it on two different, it will work faster. So what I will do, I go to EA Studio. When I log in, everything should be saved there from the settings that I use. So just let me log in. Okay, and I will go to generator. These old strategies, I will just remove them, and I will go to the generator. I will select the server of Pepperstone. I will select H4. Okay, strategy properties, everything should be saved. Yes, it is. Here, just the working minutes you need to set again. 800 minutes one more time, guys. And I click start, and you see the speed of EA Studio. It's fantastic, guys. That's why we're using it. That's the whole idea what we are doing here. We create hundreds of strategies, we test them, and we select the best performers. Obviously, we cannot do it without these strategy builders because it will take us so long time to pay developers to create strategies for us, to write the code for these strategies for these robots. Normally it takes to a professional developer to write the code of a good expert advisor about 2-3 weeks, and they will charge you like 200, 300, 500, depends how much, $500 I mean, depends how big is your expert advisor. And with these strategy builders, we are creating these strategies very fast, and that's why we have this system to create many expert advisors and to select the top performers. As you can see, the other one is working as well. I can just put it this way. Already there are 7 strategies into the collection. Here are 45. By tomorrow I will have thousands of strategies, and I will see into collection only the top performers, only the ones that are having the most net profit. Okay, and I will test them for the last 1 month. I will export them from here as trading robots from these buttons over here, and I will place them on MetaTrader, but this I will leave it in the next lectures, guys. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Don't hesitate to drop me any questions if you have about EA Studio or how we are using it, and always take it easy, guys. Cheers, bye. Hello dear traders, this is Petko Aleksandrov, and today is the 7th of December 2017. The generator is ready, and I have in the collection 100 strategies for H1 chart, and as well I have 100 strategies for H4 chart. So what I will do now is I will test these strategies for the period of the last month. I will go to tools, and from data horizon I will include the last 1 month. So I will just remove the tick which disables to use the end date limit, and this will include the last 1 month. So one more time, guys, I have created the collection of strategies for the Ethereum on H1 and H4, but without using the last 1 month. Okay, so now when I click on recalculate, you can see here I have 10 strategies on each page, and I have 10 pages. So watch carefully what will happen now. I click on recalculate, and EA Studio recalculates how many of those strategies continue to be on the profitable side. And you can see something very interesting actually, that some of the strategies have made a great profit during the last month. So this is the totally same thing, guys, if I keep these 100 strategies on a demo account. Okay, very easy. You see, I have done it just with one click. Okay, couple of clicks to add the last 1 month, but one click, recalculate. I'm including the last 1 month, and you see now the date is yesterday. So basically now I have 99 strategies that were profitable as well during the last 1 month. And very important, this shows how EA Studio is creating actually robust strategies. So simply, guys, I will do the same thing for H4 chart. I'm going to tools. You can see the date here is 4th of November. I'm going to tools, and I will click on data import, actually data horizon, sorry. Okay, so here I as well remove this tick, and this way I am including the last 1 month. Okay, and when I click on recalculate, you will see what will happen. Let's see how many strategies will pass the test. All of the strategies. This is just fantastic, guys. Normally what I see is that 70, 60, sometimes 50, sometimes 30, really depends on the asset that we choose, how long time I have run the generator, but in this case I have run it for a long time. So basically I have many strategies that showed great profit, and even including the last 1 month history data, they still show profit. Okay, so what I'm doing now, guys, I need to select from the 2 collections total 99 strategies. So probably I will choose like 50 from one and 49 from the other. Why I cannot put 100? Because the maximum in MetaTrader is 99, and that's why actually I choose to add in the course 99 strategies, just like my Bitcoin course. So simply, guys, this is the maximum in MetaTrader. Obviously I can provide you with hundreds of strategies, but you need to load it on 2 MetaTraders. Not really necessary to do 100, actually 99 is more than enough, guys, for you to choose the top performers out of the 99. Okay, I went to the 10th page where are the strategies with less profit, and you can see that these strategies during the last month, they remained profitable, but they went on a loss. So I will start removing these strategies. Okay, and I will just simply leave the ones that had a good profit as well during the last month and not having this drawn down. Okay, so probably these strategies were a little bit over optimized, so EA Studio just found very good parameters for this strategy. So when I just tested them now for the last 1 month, they showed some losses, and we want to avoid having such strategies into our collection. You can see the strategy has some drawn down here, but not really huge. I can see like $80, $90, not really huge drawn down. You can see there is one here, but then it recovered, and now again, and now it starts to recover. So let me just keep it for the moment. I will remove the others which are with worse profit lines at the end. I will just go to 8th page and I will start removing strategies from here. So basically, guys, what you see is that I'm not going into each strategy to look into the indicators. I have done that many times, and I have concluded that actually EA Studio works well, does its job, and I don't need to analyze it and to change something in the strategies, because obviously, guys, this is why I'm using this professional software to rely on it. Okay, and it proved to me obviously that it creates profitable strategies, so I don't need to spend time into each strategy to change some things and to, but most important is that I will lose time, guys. Okay, and time recently in trading is very precious, especially with the cryptocurrencies. We need to be very quick, we need to move fast, we need to create strategies very quickly if we don't want to actually miss these volatile moves that are happening on the market. Okay, so I keep removing the strategies Simply one more time, all I care about is the net profit, and this is the profit line of each strategy. And if it's losing recently during the last 1 month that I have tested it over, I am removing the strategy. Okay, and if you have any questions about how I'm selecting the strategies, you're welcome to ask me. But one more time, the most important thing we care about is the profit line. Is it stable profit line? We don't want to have huge drawdowns, okay? Huge drawdowns, like huge stagnations, like for example here you see a drawdown, but it's for a short period of time, then it recovered. But if it was like that during the whole period and then it recovered, I don't want to have such strategy that it will stay a long time into stagnation. Okay, this is called stagnation, the period when the strategy is not doing profit but it's actually losing. It's called stagnation. Okay, let's continue lower. You can see here such a great profit line, guys, very stable, even including the last 1 month. You can see here drawdown, then the profit line just goes sideways. I will remove this one. So let me just have a look how many I have left. 55. So I will remove 5 more strategies. Okay, these ones are losing recently, and this one as well. And I will do the same with H1 chart, guys, and then I will remove 1 more strategy from the 2. So totally I will remain with 99 strategies. Okay, so 1 more from here. Let me just have a look. This one, but not really losing too much recently. Let me go back to the last page. Okay, I will remove this strategy that I left earlier, but obviously the others are having better profits. Okay, so now I have into the collection 50 strategies, guys, that are having nice profit lines. They're having net profit more than $500, but actually I'm not looking really at the net profit and the profit per day, because for the purpose of this course I have selected 1 trading lot, okay, which with the Ethereum is small amount. Again, I say in my courses, I don't want to suggest you any trading volume. I don't want to suggest you any starting amount, guys. It's your choice. I have just opened a huge demo account, and it's really no matter with how much. Obviously, if I put 10 trading lots here, I will have $29 per day, and I will have net profit of $5,530. Okay, and actually $32.30. So simply, guys, really no matter here. Don't look too much in the net profit and the profit per day, because what we care about is a stable profit line. And after that, when you start trading on demo, when you see the profits, the losses, because some of the strategies will be profiting, some will be losing, you will decide for yourself with how much you want to start the trading. Probably you want to start first with a small trading account, with couple of expert advisors, because this is the idea. From all the expert advisors, we create them, we test them, and we test them 1 more time for 1 month, and then we test them 1 more time on the demo, and we place the top performers. So you will decide with how much you want to start and what trading lot you want to use. Okay, so now I am going to H1 strategies, and I will need to select another 50 out of the 99. So obviously I will not select, but I will exclude, I will just remove these losing recent strategies. You can see the strategies, so they stayed above 100,000, still profitable, but there were losses during the last 1 month, and I want to remove these strategies, guys, because this is the test of the last 1 month that I'm doing, and you can see how nicely it shows the strategies that are losing recently. And I better do this thing here instead of doing it into the demo account, or worse, to place these strategies on live account and they will just start losing according to the latest data. Because, guys, what you need to understand is that these strategies doesn't mean they are not profitable. They are not profitable just simply with the recent historical data of the last 1 month. And this is very normal with the cryptocurrencies, because they are more and more volatile, and it's really harder to... Sorry guys, I just entered in one of the strategies. So what I was saying is that we need to use the strategies that are showing profit recently, and actually by placing the 99 on demo account, what I will show you, and selecting the top performers at the current moment is the only way that we can use strategies that are making profit according to the latest history data, okay, according to the latest movements and market conditions. So I keep removing here because you can see these strategies are simply having losses recently. Now here a little bit things are changing and improving. So on the 6th page I see some strategies that are having not such huge loss recently but still losing, so I'll just keep on removing these strategies. Okay, also this one I don't want to have it as well. These I will remove. And what we have here, let's go to the 5th page. Actually this is it, 50 strategies. Okay, so you can see the strategies recently, they're just going up and down, up and some down, but not really huge drawdowns at the end. There are some, but this is actually very normal move and drawdown in a strategy. Simply on H4, guys, much better profit lines, but I want to diversify the risk between H1 and H4. If H4 continues doing better for you, for example, as it shows on the profit lines here, simply the top performers will be on H4 and you will use H4. So I want to give you the choice here if you want to trade on H1 or on H4. And obviously, guys, you will see a lot of movements there. You will see how the expert advisors are changing and how actually some are having more profits than they had before, some are having losses more than they were having before. So our job will be to monitor. Okay, this one you can see huge period of time is going down and I will remove it. Okay, so I have here 49 strategies for H1 chart. I will download this collection to make sure not to lose it or to delete some strategy by mistake. And as well, I will download the collection for H4 chart. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will export the strategies and I will place them on the demo account, but I will show you how I'm doing that in the next lecture. Cheers guys, thank you for watching, bye. Hello dear students, it's Petko Aleksandrov from EA Forex Academy, and in this lecture I will show you how to place the 99 expert advisors over MetaTrader. But first of all, I will need to export it, so you will see as well how I'm doing that. Into the collections, you see there is one button here that says expert advisor for MT4 and then expert advisor for MT5. So I will export both and I will show you how to place on MT4, but if you wish to use MetaTrader 5, guys, I will give it as well to you in the course, so you can give it a try with MetaTrader 5 if you wish to. You can see the third button here that is like a plus. It says add to portfolio. So when I click it and then I click the next one and I click on the next one, so let me just select the first 10 strategies. You will see them into a portfolio section and you will see the whole performance of the whole portfolio. Okay, hope I didn't miss any, or probably I had missed one. Yeah, I missed one, no worries about it. Just want to show you, they go into portfolio and you can see the balance chart summarized, okay, for all of those, and you can see the total net profit. What is interesting, guys, as well is that when we add these strategies into a portfolio, we lower the drawdown. Yeah, this is the whole idea actually. When we having each strategy separately and then we put it in a portfolio, we lower the maximum drawdown, because if one strategy or two strategies are losing, the other during this time will be making profits and we are going into more stable line. So this way we actually diversify the risk. There are so many statistics over here, I'm not going into details, but the idea is that when we trade many strategies into portfolio, we lower the risk and we don't depend only on one expert advisor. And actually here the newest thing in EA Studio is that you can actually export the whole portfolio, and by one expert advisor you can trade all of these strategies. Basically I can place the 99 expert advisors into one portfolio and export it, and I will trade it on MetaTrader only with one expert advisor. The question is that if I do that in the course and I provide you with the portfolio, you cannot choose. You will still see the performance of each strategy inside. I will show you how, but you cannot separate one expert advisor and to put it trading on a different account. So simply I will provide you with the 99 strategies. It's a little bit more work to place them over MetaTrader, but it's actually 10 to 15 minutes work, guys, not a huge thing. Okay, let me just delete now this portfolio. Okay, and I'm going back to the collection. So what I will do now, I will export the 99 strategies, okay, by clicking on expert advisor for MT4 and expert advisor for MT5. You can see they are downloading, and this is the beauty of EA Studio, guys. By one click I am exporting the strategy into an expert advisor, and you can see inside actually the code. Let me just open it. Of course, if you're not an advanced developer or if you don't have any IT skills, I don't really recommend you to touch anything in the code because you can mess up. And actually the codes are working just great. There are no any issues. You can see the code in here, and there are no errors as well when we are compiling it. Let me just show it to you. So I will just make it lower to fit the recording screen. Okay guys, just a second. Right here you should be able to see it. So when I click on compile, you can see there are no errors, 0 warnings, and compile time really quick. Guys, now what I will do, I will continue exporting the 99 expert advisors, and I will continue at the end because I don't want to make the video too boring to download 99 expert advisors. Okay, I will just continue in a second. Okay, so I continue now the video, guys. So when I have in my downloads, as you can see, 198 items, that would be 99 strategies for MQ4 and 99 strategies with MQ5. So 99 for MetaTrader 4, 99 for MetaTrader 5. Okay, and now what I will do, I will show you how to place them in MetaTrader 4. It's the same thing on MetaTrader 5. It's up to you which one you will choose, guys. Okay, but MetaTrader 4 is doing good job. There are still mistakes, as I said, in MetaTrader 5, so simply your choice. You can use both of them. Okay, so I click on copy and I will just place these 99 expert advisors in MetaTrader. Okay, same thing here. I'm going to file, open data folder, and I am going to MQL4. Okay, and then I will select experts. If you remember, script we placed in script experts, we place where the experts are. Here I will just paste it. Okay, it will take a little bit time, guys, because actually this is on my VPS server, not on the same computer where I generated the strategies with EA Studio. So VPS, this stands for virtual private server, which is simply a computer somewhere on the web space, okay, on the virtual server, and there the internet connection does not stop. If you have no problems with the internet at home, you can leave the expert advisors on your computer. Make sure, guys, something when you place the expert advisors on MetaTrader on your computer, laptop, notebook, whatever you're using, any trading machine as we call it, you should not turn it off, or you should not switch off the internet, because this will interrupt the work of expert advisors. It should be on all the time. Obviously, if your broker does not have trading during the weekend, like the one I'm using actually currently, there is no trading during the weekend, not really huge problem. You can restart your computer during the weekend, do some maintenance there, updates, whatever you need to do, and when it's on Monday, it will continue doing the good work. Okay, so now I will just close this folder and I will go to experts and I will select refresh. Okay, this will force MetaTrader to compile the 99 expert advisors. This can take a little bit of a time, guys, because these are 99 expert advisors. If your computer is not really quick, it will take some time. You can see it takes time with me as well, because this is 99 expert advisors. The other thing is you can actually close MetaTrader and reopen it again. it will still compile the expert advisors. And once it's ready, guys, you will see all the expert advisors over here. Let me just make this navigator window a little bit bigger so you can see all expert advisors are already in MetaTrader and they're compiled. Okay, what means compiled, guys? I showed you how it works, but basically this is the ready expert advisor that we have, and it's in a different file format. So let me just show you very quickly. If I go again to open data folder and I go to MQ4 and I'm going again to expert, so you will see there is your folder that you received in the course MQL4, but there is as well X4. This is the type of file that you need in order to trade. So normally when you buy expert advisors from the marketplace, you receive the ready expert advisors and they don't share with you the code. I'm open to give you straight away the code, guys, because once again, it's your responsibility. Don't touch it, don't change anything there if you don't have the IT skills, the necessary skills. And this way you will have them bought. Okay, so simply here we have this X4 file that is shown, and it's ready now to place on MetaTrader. The first thing, this auto trading button needs to be green so I can place the expert advisors and they will start trading. So what I will do now, let me just close the other cryptos that I have opened and I will just leave the, I'm sorry guys, I actually closed the Ethereum. Okay, so let me just put it in. Okay, how I can put it in? I can just drop it over the chart if it's different chart over there. And what I will need to do, guys, I will need to open new 98 charts. Okay, just right button and I click on chart window and it adds new one, and I will just add new one, and I will just add new one, and I will just add new one, and I need to do this 99 times, guys. Don't worry, we do this only one time to place the expert advisors. After that we will follow their performance. I will show you how you can do that, and after that you will just select a couple of expert advisors to trade on a live account. I suggest you to do it on a different demo account, so basically you can follow the whole process, but I will explain you this in the next lecture. So now how we place the expert advisor over the chart, guys, it's very simple. I just double click on it. Okay, here you can see some menu if you want to enter into the trade, only long, only short. And then in the inputs you have the entry lots, you have your stop loss and a take profit, and below you have the inputs, and this is the magic number. Each strategy is with magic number. You can change it, but it's okay to leave it the way it comes from EA Studio, because we will use this magic number after that to follow the performance of the 99 expert advisors. So when I click on OK, guys, you see here EA Studio, Ethereum H1, 4276549 smiley face. When you see the smiley face, it actually means that the expert advisor is already working on your platform. It's detecting for its entry signals, and when there is an entry signal, it will enter into the trade. So the very same thing, I go to the next one, I will open, I will click OK, and then I go to the third one and I will click OK, and I will do this for all H1 charts, and then I will do the same thing for all H4 charts. Okay guys, so let me do it and I will continue the video again. Dear traders, I continue now the video because I have only 2 left on H4, the last 2 expert advisors. I click on OK. And actually the other thing you can do is you can drag the expert advisor over the chart. It will still open the menu and you will click OK. And now I have the 99 expert advisors. As you can see, actually I have already trades open because it turned the new hour, but I need to find actually the H1 chart, so I'll just go back. And it's very important, once you place the expert advisors, guys, don't turn off the MetaTrader and your computer. You should have a stable internet connection, because every expert advisor checks on each hour for new entry conditions. So you can see on H1 chart, if I zoom in, you will see actually that when the new bar was opened, I had trades already open. So if something happens actually with your internet connection, with your computer, with your VPS. It's alright, you are having take profits and stop losses for every expert advisor, so you will be having protect into your account. But simply the expert advisors that are having exit conditions, because some of the expert advisors are having exit conditions, they will not close the trade if it's not connected to the internet, okay? And pretty much that's it, guys. I'm placing now the expert advisors over MetaTrader. You can see 99 expert advisors are here. I have them all and they will start trading now. And I will continue the course probably next week, because I want a minimum couple of days or 1 week to have them trading so I can have some statistics. I will show you how I'm connecting MetaTrader to a website where I can follow the statistics, and then I will show you how I'm selecting only the top performers out of the 99 expert advisors to place on a live account, or of course you can place it on a separate demo account, again I say, so you can follow the whole process, but I will explain you more details into the next lectures. Okay guys, so pretty much that's it about it. I'm leaving it now to trade for me, and I will continue the course once I'm having some more results and some statistics so I can select the top performers at the current moment. Okay, thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure recording, and I will continue next week. Cheers guys. Hello dear traders, it's Petko Aleksandrov speaking from EA Forex Academy. Today is the 12th of December 2017, and I'm over the trading account that I have left last week with 50k in a demo account. Simply guys, this is a huge account where I'm testing the expert advisors, and what I have, you can see profit currently is around zero. I have made small profit of $50, and basically not a huge movement over the last days with the Ethereum. Anyway, the portfolio of the expert advisors, all of the expert advisor had made already some account history. We have some losses, we have some profits into the account. So the question now is how to select the expert advisors that are actually making profits and to place them in a live account. I suggest you guys first to do it in a demo account. So simply from this demo account, move the top performers, the ones that are currently making profit, into another demo account, and I will show you how we follow the performance. But don't hurry to start on a live account. Make sure you select, not only to select the top performers, but to get used with the selection and simply with the whole process that I will show you right now. So what I will do, I will bring up on the recording screen one website that is called FX Blue. We're not connected to this website at all guys. Simply it provides us a lot of statistics for each account. And if I click on FX Blue Live, you can see I have a username and a password, but before you have that you need to register. So here are the account synchronization for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and more platforms. And what we need to do now guys is to register for MT4. So keep in mind guys, this is totally free. We do not pay anything for that. So after that, what you need to do is to select your broker. From here I will go to Pepperstone Demo 1. As I told you, I have chosen this broker just for recording this course, and because they're regulated brokers I had to choose any. But again, I say, maybe many times I will repeat it, we are not connected to any of the brokers or websites that we are using on the course, so don't take it as a recommendation please. And let me find it. So Pepperstone, where is it? Right a little bit higher. Okay, it's right over here. So Pepperstone Demo 1, and under the broker server I need to write down the account number. So it is 850020, and then you write down here the read-only password, or this is the investor password that you received when you registered the demo account. And simply this password guys is if you are asset trader or professional trader, no matter what you're trading, but simply if you manage some investors money, you give them only this password, read only password, so they can follow the account, but they cannot actually touch or open any positions. So this is the purpose of this password read only. In our case now for this website, we use it to follow the performance and connect your MetaTrader to this website. So with email, I will write down our email at forexacademy.com. I agree to the terms and conditions, and then I will click on register, and you can see here is asking me and actually in Bulgarian language if I want to keep the password. I will keep it for the moment. Okay, then I go to account synchronization, guys, and you can see here are basically the same details, but I just need to click on save changes, so it will start synchronizing the account. And when I go to statistics, you will see that I already have some statistic. I have a monthly return, profit factor, history days, so 7 days in history. So what I have, and floating, I have at the current moment negative at $10, the balance, the equity. Simply, guys, still very small statistics here, but here you have the whole overview of the account. Okay, the important thing here is the strategy. There are so many things in here that you can follow, symbols, you have the direction, which one have made profit, the ones that are going up or down. You can see that the buy made profit, sell around 0, and a lot of details here about symbol plus direction. You have monthly, weekly, which are actually more statistics needed when you are trading for a longer period of time. Okay, so now I'm focusing on strategy because this is what we care at the end of the day. So here you see these are the magic numbers of our experts, and here we follow each expert advisor performance. Okay, so each one of these magic numbers represents one strategy, one expert advisor, and it's connected already to the website. So here we can see so many details about the losers, the winners, the average loss, the average win, average trade, best trade, worst trade, longest trade, shortest trade, average length, total win pips, which is very important as well, total loss pips as well, very important. And we have so many statistics here, guys, during which hours you're trading, well, how long the trade went. Okay, a lot traded in total. So you can see this expert advisor here traded 12 lots, so it's much more aggressive, much more volatile. It's kind of a scalping strategy, okay, because it traded 12 lots. Let's see its performance, what results totally have. Net profit, it's on profit actually, 52, which is really nice. So basically this expert advisor opened 12 trades and it's on average of a profit. Okay, so guys, this is what we care, net profit. I click on it and I'm having on the top performance till the current moment. Want to make this very clear because this is very important, and this is the only realistic thing that we can have when we are trading expert advisor. Okay, this is the statistic that this expert advisor have made the last couple of days. So this is the only realistic thing, guys. You place it on a demo account, you follow the performance, and you see here which expert advisors succeeded to make profits, okay, and which one have made losses. So doesn't mean these on the bottom are losers, they are currently making losses, guys. Okay, so very simply, we want to trade on our live account, but I suggest you one more time, I'm saying to do it first on a demo account. We want to place on a separate live account the expert advisors that are making most profit. Okay, and you can see these three are making more than $100 during the last days. So we want these three to be into the live account. So here, guys, as in my previous course, I will leave it a door open to you. I will leave it on you how many you want to place in the separate account. Do you want to place the top 3? Do you want to place only one, which is performing the best, or you want to place top 10, top 5, top 7? Totally up to you. The question here, the idea here is that we diversify the risk. From the 99, I am placing only the ones that are making profit, but still I will place a couple of expert advisors in this course I will show you just 3 and how I will take them out from the 99. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm taking a pen and I'm writing down the magic number of the first one, which is 427735 and 67. Okay, this is the magic number. The second one is 42804792, and the third one is 42965030. So I wrote these magic numbers on a piece of paper, and what I will do now, guys, I'm going back to the MetaTrader and I will go to File, Open Data Folder, and then I'm going to MQL4. It could be a little bit lagging to you guys because this is 99 Expert Advisor into the MetaTrader, makes it a little bit slower, but anyway, it will not really block your computer or something like that. So it's MQL4, we go to experts, and then here we have all the expert advisors, right? So here you have search expert in the search tab, and I will write down 42773567. So this is our first expert advisor. Here it is. I will just simply copy it and I will open one new folder that says let's make it 3. Okay, top 3 expert advisors. So it's up to you guys one more time how much you want to separate from this, but for the purpose of this course, not to make this video too long and boring, I will just show you how I will select the top 3. I click on paste and here we have this top expert advisor. Then I'm going back to experts and in the search expert bar I am writing 428047 and then I'm having 92. Okay, here it is. I will copy this one as well. I am going back to experts. I will just need to close this search box. Okay, here it is. I'm going into this file and I will paste it as well here. So then I am going to exports one more time. I'm writing down the third one, 42965030. Here it is. I will copy it and then I will close the search box. So I'm going back to all of the expert advisors. I'm opening the folder. I click on paste and here are the top 3 expert advisors, guys. So this is how I'm selecting the top expert advisors. Okay, one more time, guys, what I will do, I will just make a quick review of what we've done. We have created hundreds of strategies. We have selected the best ones through EA Studio. Then what I've done, I have tested them for the recent 1 month with the history data I have exported from the very same broker that I have selected to use for this course, and then I have placed these 99 expert advisors over into MetaTrader and I started to follow their performance on the demo accounts. So simply, guys, here I have connected this MetaTrader with FX Blue website. There are many websites with these kind of statistics, guys, but this is just an example one which I have chosen. And then I have selected only the top 3, but you can select the top 5, the top 10, up to you, to separate on another account, and it's totally your choice whether you want to do it on a live account. I suggest you to do it on a demo account, because what you need to practice now, guys, is that if you select as well the top 3, for example, okay, and this expert advisor, which is 4th, come to the 3rd and the 3rd come. So basically, if they switch places, yeah, you will need to remove this one and replace it with the other one. So the idea is that from the 99, I want to trade always the top performers, the top EAs that are currently making profits. Okay, I want to make it clear. So your task would be to follow the performance, to refresh it like once a day. And if you see that some expert advisor went lower, started to lose according to the latest market conditions, and another one took its place, you need to change them into the separate account. Okay? It's very simple thing. Probably in the beginning it will take you a little bit longer time, but once you do it a couple of times, guys, you will get used with it. It's your choice how many expert advisors you want to take, and of course it's your choice if you want to trade them at all on a live account. It's totally your own risk, it's totally your own choice if you want to trade it on a live account. I suggest you just to take it easy, take your time, practice the system. If you find it profitable for you, I will be very happy from that. So this is how we are doing all of the trading into the academy, guys. So with Forex, with cryptocurrencies, basically Bitcoin brokers recently raised the spreads quite a lot. That's why I decided to make this course for the Ethereum, and because a lot of students were actually asking me for the Ethereum, and I wanted to show you that it's possible to be done with every instrument, no matter is it the Bitcoin, is it the Ethereum, is it Forex, is it stocks, no matter what is it, guys, you can do this with every asset, create hundreds of strategies, select the top ones, place them on a demo account and follow their performance over here and select the top strategies. Quite a long process, but once you do it, you will get used with it and you will be able, guys, to have always profitable strategies on your side, because we are unlimited, guys, with the expert advisors that we are creating. Daily we create hundreds of strategies, we test them and we select always the top ones. And this is the very nice thing using a professional strategy builder, as I've showed you, because for a couple of hours, even minutes, you create hundreds of strategies, and even some starts to lose, the others will make profits during this time. And this is how we diversify the portfolio, and this is how we diversify the risk in our accounts by trading a portfolio of expert advisors. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you understood it all. If not, don't hesitate to drop me any questions on the dashboard. Cheers, bye.
This was the free Ethereum trading course. To get access to the complete course, use the huge discount we have below and enroll to the course. This way you will be able to download the robots and you get new 99 robots every month. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee for the course, which makes it risk-free for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe so you can follow all new free courses from Forex Academy. Cheers!